Okay, so let's say we've done the corners a couple of times. Nothing better than knowing that you don't have cobwebs up in the corners of your bathrooms, or in any room for that matter. But now we're going to do the lights, because when I was up there I saw there was a lot of dust. So what I will do is turn the lights off, because you definitely do not want to be cleaning lights that are hot. Now this is where I would change the bulb if one of them had gone, and that's why I always carry that extra bulb in my carrier. So up here, you can't, obviously difficult for you to see, but there's cobwebs right here. I can see a couple of cobwebs stringing from light bulb to light bulb. So I'm just going to take my cloth. I'm not going to go near the outlet because I don't want to risk getting that wet where the electrical connection is at all. So I'm just going along the top, and there's a lot. Can you see that? There's a lot of build-up that happens because it's just something that you don't see, and so you don't clean it, right? It's this kind of cleaning is cleaning that you don't see, but it certainly builds up. So I'm just going to go over each of the light bulb holders and get off all that dust. Okay?